Did you know that 97% of people have mentally lived in houses they'll never afford? Let me explain this tragic phenomenon. It starts innocently. You're just browsing real estate apps, maybe checking neighborhood prices. Totally normal, right? Wrong. Within minutes, you're touring a $4 million mansion in Beverly Hills. You're nodding approvingly at the marble countertops like you actually have opinions about marble. Stage 2. You start doing math. If I save every penny for carry the one, only 47 years, this could be mine. Stage 3 gets darker. You're mentally arranging furniture you don't own in rooms you'll never see. That corner, perfect for the grand piano you can't play. The final stage is peak delusion. You're eating dollar store mac and cheese while seriously considering the lighting fixtures in a Manhattan penthouse. Scientists call this aspirational real estate syndrome. I call it Tuesday night entertainment. The cure? Simple. Just remember that your current bathroom is probably bigger than most New York apartments anyway.